Hey everyone, welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to channel for trusted automotive gear reviews and real-world performance insights. If you drive a Toyota pickup from the 80s or 90s, you know how important a solid suspension is for handling and comfort. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best shocks for Toyota pickup, tested for performance, value, and everyday reliability. We'll check out popular options from TRQ, A Premium, OCPTY, Rough Country, and PM Auto, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your truck best. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Number 5. PM Auto Set. The PM Auto Set of 4 is a complete replacement kit that includes both front and rear shock absorbers designed specifically for 1986 to 1995 Toyota pickup 4WD models. This set is ideal for owners who prefer a one-time, all-around suspension refresh rather than mixing brands or part numbers. Each unit features a twin-tube gas-charged design, providing improved damping consistency and heat resistance for long drives and off-road conditions. Owners highlight that this kit noticeably improves control during cornering and braking, even when the truck is loaded or towing. The shocks come pre-oiled and ready for installation, and the bolt-on fit ensures an easy replacement for DIY mechanics. While it's not a performance lift kit, the PM Auto shocks restore factory-like comfort and stability, perfect for older pickups with tired original suspension. A verified buyer mentioned that after installing these, the truck drove like new again, especially during bumpy rural road driving. Number 4. Rough Country N3 Rear Shocks. The Rough Country N3 rear shocks, model 23256A, are specifically engineered for the 1986-1995 Toyota pickup, 2WD, a 4WD, as well as other compatible Toyota models. According to the manufacturer, these are 10-stage variable valving, high-pressure nitrogen-charged units, featuring a 35mm piston, 54mm shock body for improved heat dissipation, and fluid rated to -40 degrees Celsius for durability in harsh conditions. In real-world usage, owners of older pickups report a noticeable improvement in ride stability under load and smoother handling over rough road surfaces. One aftermarket listing states, "When you're upgrading your vehicle's suspension, don't settle for less." These N3 rear shocks fit the 1986-1995 Toyota pickup 2WD, 4WD. Installation is typically listed as taking 1 to 2 hours for the pair. The robust build, chromed-hardened piston rod, rubber bushings, gives confidence for both street and light off-road use. On the downside, a few users mention the ride becomes firmer, which, while beneficial for towing and load situations, may feel less plush in everyday driving. Also, as with many aftermarket shocks, precise fitment, especially for different lift heights or 0 to 2-inch configurations, needs to be verified. Number 3. OCPTY Front Shocks and Struts. The OCPTY Front Shocks and Struts kit is an aftermarket full-set replacement aimed at vehicles including the 1984-1995 Toyota pickup, 1993-1998 T100, and 1995 2004 Tacoma RWD models. It's engineered to restore front-end ride quality by replacing worn dampers with new components, enabling better handling, less bounce, and an improved feel when braking or cornering. In real-world use, many owners of aging Toyotas report that once the originals have 100K plus miles, the front suspension begins to feel soft and loose. One reviewer noted that after installing the OCP units, they experienced a firmer but controlled ride, with improved response under load and fewer lost steering feel on rough patches. However, some caveats. The kit doesn't come pre-assembled with springs or top hats, depending on the listing, which means additional effort may be necessary to complete the install. Also, while OCPTY as a brand scores well for value parts in many categories, average rating 4.25, buyer experiences indicate some variability in fitment and finish, so carefully check your exact model year before purchase. Number 2. A Premium Rear Pair Shock Absorbers. The A Premium Rear Pair is tailored for the rear suspension of older Toyota trucks, compatible with Toyota Tacoma 1995 to 2004, Toyota Pickup 1984 to 1995, and other models. These shocks offer a direct fit replacement, no major modifications needed, making them a convenient choice for DIYers restoring ride comfort on aging ride units. In performance terms, the kit stands out for its value. Users report a noticeably firmer rear end under load, which translates to better control when hauling or driving on rough roads. The specification sheet states an extended length of 20.27 inches and a compressed length of 12.63 inches, with a stroke of 7.64 inches. While the build is solid, some drivers note the initial ride may feel a bit stiffer than factory terrain, which may be positive for loaded use, but less so for riders seeking plush comfort. For example, one buyer on the listing noted, "Fits perfectly and restored the bounce on my 90 pickup after 200k miles." Number 1. TRQ Front and Rear Shock Absorber. The TRQ shock absorber set is designed for 1984 to 1995 Toyota pickup and 1993 to 1998 T100 models, offering a complete front and rear upgrade solution. These gas-charged shocks are built with precision damping control to maintain smooth handling even on uneven roads. Drivers have reported significantly improved cornering stability and reduced body roll after installation, a huge plus for aging trucks. Installation is straightforward thanks to its OEM-style direct fit. The TRQ kit delivers excellent performance both on highways and in light off-road conditions, maintaining a consistent ride height without stiffness. The corrosion-resistant coating also ensures longevity in harsh weather conditions. Thanks for watching this Automotive Widgets review. We hope this helped you pick the perfect shock absorbers for your Toyota pickup. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more weekly automotive guides, part comparisons, and hands-on reviews. You'll find all the Amazon links to the products we mentioned down in the description below. And don't forget, every purchase through those links supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Until next time, drive safe, stay tuned, and keep your wheels rolling smoothly with Automotive Widgets.